डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी।
Hello and welcome to course on Android mobile application development. My name is Dr. Himanshu Patel and I am instructor for this course. Today I am going to briefly talk about this course. Have you ever wondered how your favorite mobile applications are developed? Join us on gentle journey through the mobile application development landscape using Android as a platform. Along the way, we will learn to use Android Studio, the integrated development environment for Android apps. The course will introduce you to the basic of the Android platform, Android application components, activity and their life cycle. We will also learn user interface design, multimedia, 2D graphics and networking support in Android. Duration of the course is 12 weeks and has a 4 credits, and this course is in line with the direction of UGC to introduce elementary course in mobile application development and undergraduate and postgraduate level across all the Indian university or institutions. This course is designed for undergraduate students of computer science, although there is no prerequisite to learn this course, but if you have knowledge of Java or object oriented programming, then it is good for you. Now, objective of the course is, after successfully completed the course, the learner will be able to use the development tools in the Android development environment, that is Android Studio. Student can use the major component of Android API SAT to develop their own applications or apps. Student can describe the life cycle of activities, application and fragments. They can use the Java programming language to build Android applications, and they can make user interface rich application using all the major user interface components. They can store and manipulate data using content provider, shared preferences and notifications. They can do the background processing with services and asynchronous tasks. They can utilize sensor to add orientation and location to their applications, send and receive message programmatically, package and prepare their applications for distribution on Google Play Store, or they will learn how to distribute their apps. If we look at the course content, it covers introduction to Android, tools and basics, Android application development basics, Android application design essentials, Android user interface design, common APIs, multimedia, networking, telephony and location, sensor and hardware programming, and finally they will learn how to publish Android application on Google Play Store. Lesson plan for the course is divided into 12 weeks. The first and second week covers the basic part or core content of the course, and week 3 to 7 covers basic functionality or features required to develop mobile application development, and week 8 to 12 covers some more advanced features like web services, multimedia and animation, networking, telephony and location, search, location mapping, communication identity, synchronous and social media platform. So, these entire course covers started from introduction to Android tools and techniques and then basic functionality, and finally it also covers some advanced features that is required to develop rich user interfaces in Android. The course content will contain recorded videos which are based on the syllabus. All the participants who are enrolled for the course can take their course online on Swayam platform. They can download the video or text material for later use, and at the end of the course, the students have an option to undergo an online test in proctored mode, which is objective in nature. Now, what is the evaluation methodology? There shall be two components for evaluation. One is internal assessment, which is of 20 marks, and there is a proctored examination for 80 marks. So, overall student get marks out of 100 based on internal and external assessment. Now, what about certification? On successful completion of the exam, the student shall be provided with a certificate declaring the participation and successful completion of the course by the candidate as per the guidelines. Generally, the passing criteria is 40% in the case. So, I am looking forward join you this course on Swayam platform. Thank you and happy learning.
स्वाध्यायः परमः